What's up, everybody? Happy Labor Day. It's Monday, September 2nd. Just headed out here in the evening. Just got a couple hours left before sundown. Gonna basically just test my new camera equipment and make sure everything's ready to go for my trip out west next week. But it's the first day of hunting season here in Pennsylvania, so kind of jacked to get out just for a few hours. I could have went out for some geese today too. That also opened along with the dove season, but ended up working today and spent the afternoon with my wife and her family. So just wanted to prioritize that, get some time spent with her, because I'm going to be heading out west here next week, and still we got back early enough for me to get out and put a couple hours in on opening day of dove season. So I'll keep you posted. Boy, this sun is bright. Well, I was messing with my big camera, and I had a bunch of flocks fly over my right shoulder here, probably a dozen birds or so. Of course, didn't see them until they were way past me, but everything seems to be working good. I'm trying out the teal spinner. It's working great. I think the Shotkam's working okay. Had the GoPro on my head that I took off for this interview real quick. That seems to be working okay. So all in all, that's basically all I wanted to do tonight, was make sure all this stuff was working. And if I shoot a dove, that'll be a bonus. So we'll see. Got a little bit of time left before the sun goes down here. Well, that was a lot of fun for a quick sit. It got fast and furious there for a couple of minutes off and on. Beautiful Southwest Pennsylvania sunset. I think the Shotkam worked pretty well. Go home and check out that footage. Got the teal spinner here that worked pretty well, and ended up killing 3 birds. One flew into this thicket over here. Unfortunately, couldn't recover it. I looked and looked and looked, but yeah, I wasn't even expecting to shoot anything. I just wanted to come over and run these cameras. I ran the GoPro, and tons of dove here, literally just down the street from my house. So, good friend of mine's farm. Nice to kick off hunting season and knock off the cobwebs off the old shotgun. So, all right, well, I'm gonna pack up and clean these couple of birds, and got us a little appetizer. Well, that wasn't my best display of shooting, but just trying to get the learning curve going on the Shotkam and trying out the new GoPro, and just running through all the equipment, making sure everything's good to go, familiarizing myself with it. But had a blast. Hunting season's here. Can't complain about that. I'm gonna go record an intro to this week's episode and get that all edited and ready to go for this week. I'm gonna have to get a couple more ready. Thankfully, I've got a few recorded in the bank. Get me covered through while I'm gone to Nebraska and Kansas. But definitely plan on recording some podcasts while I'm on the road, and also bring you some videos and stories on Instagram and stuff like that. So really appreciate you guys tuning in. Check back with us often. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more to come this season.